Man used to live in the forests and under the trees until he found caves. From there, human evolution began and the concept of home came into spotlight. After the houses and colonies, after the towers and townships, after the perfect homes and modern homes, after the beautiful homes and useful homes, here's to the new era of living. Live in the most complete home and literally live the mega life. Welcome to Megapolis, an integrated township established in 2008 in Hinjewadi, Pune, also known as the IT hub of India. Megapolis has over the years become a landmark destination. Connected to the IT world, entertainment and shopping, school and education facilities, hospitals, highways, restaurants, recreational spots, everyday conveniences, along with the first metro station of Hinjewadi, this mega connected township is all set to be in the spotlight. Ease of life, spectacular location, walk to work and walk to school is a routine here. Large global MNCs operating around the township's periphery make career opportunities to prosper here and work-life balance possible, giving you a mega advantage. Having all the modern requirements being taken care of with a young and happening community to company and superb amenities to add to your living, life here is not just a life, but a mega lifestyle. All of this comes with a mega trust of Kumar Properties, ABIL Group, and their award-winning streak of creating brilliance in residential development. So come explore, be in the spotlight, and live the mega life. Experience the extravaganza like never before. Breathe in the serenity at a perfect location. Enjoy amazing lifestyle and have a blast with wonderful entertainment. Make the most of our superb amenities in a powerful infrastructure. Also benefit from incredible connectivity and impressive architecture. Oh, and don't forget the glorious recreational spaces. All of it lets you live stylishly in spotlight. Your home is not just large in size, it is larger than life. When great furniture matches all the smart appliances, smart architecture, smart specifications and smart connections, that's how it makes a complete smart home. Live the mega life at Pune's next growth center. Presenting Codename Spotlight.